On last week's episode, we started our venture in Port Fairy where we had the best fish and chips. And then we moved on to check out Port Fairy sites. We also stopped off at the Petrified Forest. It was amazing. And then we crossed the border into South Australia. We checked out the Blue Lake in Mount Gambier and also the Sinkhole. It was so good. And we stayed the night in Robe. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino, and on this episode we are heading to Adelaide, but at the moment we are in Kingston. So strap yourself in. We're about to take you on another amazing adventure this week. So let's go. So like I was saying, there is the Big Lobster. You can stop on the side of the road and get your photo with it. You can go right up to it and touch it. There is a restaurant cafe here. I don't even know if they're open. It is early in the morning, so there's no one there at the moment. But yeah, there's a lovely truck. But we thought we'd just stop, get our photo, and then we're heading on to the next stop that we're going to. But yeah, we're just parked across there and gotten our photos. All right, let's head off and hit the road again. We've just pulled over. It is really windy here, but we found this place. We thought it was like a salt plain, but we don't know what it is, but it just looks really cool. The things you just pull over and see on the way to Adelaide. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, no, it's different. We thought it was going to be a salt lake. You just know what it is. If you actually go down,
go down below and tell us what you think this is. It's weird. It's kind of like little bits of white. I don't know, grass? I really don't know. I'll show you what it looks like. So, yeah, so you can kind of see it's kind of furry almost. Twyla likes it. Hey, Twyla. So I've just arrived to Meningie, I think that's how you say it, and we're just going to their bakery to grab some pies, and there's a bit of a park across the road where we can enjoy our lunch today. So this is the bakery here. Just going to go in there and grab a pie. So we just finished eating our pies. They were really delicious. And just behind me here is a whole heap of play equipment for the kids to play on. And if you notice this sign, it says Storm Boy. Now, the movie, I remember watching this movie 100,000 times in primary school. It was actually filmed around here in the National Park. So there you go. There's one bit of information for you about this area. So anyway, we're going to go for a little walk and then we're heading off to another town. So it's a bit windy here, but we've stopped at the Pink Salt Lake. This place looks pretty cool, and it actually is this time a proper pink salt lake. Last time we didn't know what that was, but this is. So we've just stopped to have a look. Let's go over and check it out. So we've just arrived at the Caravan Park where we're going to be staying. Basically, you've got all the ocean out here. So we're now in Adelaide, and over here, Adam's just going to get the keys, and Jen and Hudson are going to be sleeping in one of these cabins. And I don't know quite where we're going to be staying. Hopefully we're staying along the water, but I don't know. We don't even know. So we'll find out in a second. Hopefully Adam comes back with some good news for us. Twyla, hey, you're not crying today. You're not crying. Normally you cry when Daddy's out of the car. Anyway, here comes Adam. So let's see if we get lucky or not. All right, so Adam, so by the way, guys, we're at Brighton. What is it? Brighton Caravan Park. Holiday Park on the water, I think. Beachfront, sorry. And yeah, so what number have we got?
There's space for Jen.
Yep, I think she's got space.
Oh, we're literally on the edge facing the water. We're probably in the best spot.
Awesome. Awesome. All right, well, let's get in. All right, so we've just pulled up in our spot. And here it is. We've actually got an ocean view. And we've got a bit of this here, set up our table and stuff. And we can pull out an annex out here. So I think this looks really good. Now to get set up. Let me go see where Adam is. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, that's
Look at that through the window. It already looks magic. Look out here. How
I just
awesome
wish
is
they
that?
had dropped the ramp for the but I mean, you know what? We've got some ocean view.
Hey, it's ocean view. Can't complain about that. All right, well, let's get set up and go see how the guys' rooms looks. So we've just finished setting up. We've got a beautiful cheese platter again tonight, and we brought this bread from one of the towns we stopped at today, some nice sourdough. Let me show you again. So this is what we're facing. Now, it might not look like much from here. Well, actually it does look pretty good from here, but let me just take you up here and show you the view from the top. So this is the view that we're enjoying at the moment while having our cheese and wine. But let me just take you up the ramp and just show you the beautiful beach that we'll be visiting tomorrow. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this here is the park. And as you come around, you start to see the beach. The sun is going down. And look how amazing this beach is. You got some buildings down there. Beautiful white sand. And some more buildings and the rest of the caravan park. How gorgeous is that? And the best part is, dogs are allowed on the beach. Twyla's gonna be happy. But yeah, this is just the best spot. And we're here for 3 nights. So there we are. Time to go back and have wine and cheese night. So this is what's for tea tonight. Like I was saying, we've got another beautiful cheese platter from Jen and the bread that we picked up. And that's Huddy saying, hi viewers, how you doing? And of course, because we've got Huddy here, we've got dino nuggets and some corn. And like I said, just kicking back with a beautiful view. So I've gotten up this morning, grabbed ourselves a coffee, and I'm going across to the beach. And yeah, how good is it? 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, 30-second walk to the beach. And I think every, just just nearly tripped. Every dog is and their owner is out today. They're all walking along the beach. Check that out. And where's Twyla? She's in the van sleeping with Adam. Both too lazy to get up. But I'm just going to enjoy my coffee on the beach. Oh, it's so pretty. So today we've decided to start the morning off in Adelaide City itself. We're heading to Rundle Mall. I think Hudson wants to do a little bit of shopping. And we're going to go check out the sights of Adelaide City. So far so good. Pretty busy here today, being a weekday. And we'll go see what they've got to offer. We just stumbled across this 100-year-old lolly shop just off Rundle Mall. It is so cute, and they have so many different types of old lollies from back in the good old days. So anyway, if you're in Adelaide, come check these guys out. How cool is it? So we've just come down to the River Torrens for a walk. This is a really good walk. I used to work in Adelaide and I do this walk every day. You get to see these beautiful bridges and walk underneath them. Also, you can see all the exhibition buildings and all the rest of it on that side, and the art precinct of the city. So anyway, we're gonna head down here, go for a walk, but yeah, definitely come down and check this out if you come to Adelaide. And let's go check out the walk. So at the side of the Caravan Park, they have this food truck here that does seafood, fish and chips, all the rest of it. So we've just come down for our lunch. Why? Getting this beautiful view of the ocean. How cool is this? Right next to the Caravan Park. How awesome. They do breakfast, lunch and dinner. That looks good, Adam. Fish and chips. And I got myself a burger. What'd you say? Classic. Jen just took us up to grab some Thai for dinner. So Adam, Twyla and myself are going to sit at our van and eat that. They're up at their cabin enjoying their dinner. So Adam's just dishing up now. Look at this sun going down. It's just so beautiful.
Is Jen having this too?
No, just for us, Adam. So yeah, he's just dishing up. What do you think, Adam? Does it look good?
Just about.
No, I said it doesn't look good.
Yeah, just about.
We're cheating a bit tonight by getting takeaway. We're not cooking, but you know, we're on holiday, so sometimes you got to do these things. And it's not often we go camping and there's a Thai restaurant nearby. Normally we're in the bush, and you have to fend for yourself.
It doesn't quite fit the scenery.
Well, no, it doesn't quite fit the scenery. But we did today for our lunch. We had chips and fish and stuff down by the beach. But yeah, it's Thai food with a beautiful view. Well, there you have it, guys. We've come to an end of another episode. Now, if you enjoy our episodes and you want to support our channel, make sure when the little circle comes up, touch that circle. That will subscribe you. And otherwise, you can always go down the bottom, like, subscribe, tell everyone about us, ring the bell, and do all that fancy stuff. But just make sure you're tuning in next Sunday at 5 p.m. to see the next part of our Adelaide trip. It was so good. And we might be popping into a bit of a German town. Wait till you see that. That was fun. Good food too. All right, guys. See you next week. Ciao.